Smoke detectors. A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. It plays a crucial role in fire safety by promptly alerting occupants of a building to the presence of smoke, giving them time to evacuate or take appropriate action. Here's a detailed explanation of how smoke detectors work and their components. Types of smoke detectors. 1. Ionization smoke detectors. These detectors use a small amount of radioactive material, americium-241, to ionize the air inside the detector's chamber. Smoke particles entering the chamber disrupt the ionization, reducing the flow of current and triggering the alarm. Ionization detectors are very sensitive to fast-flaming fires. 2. Photoelectric smoke detectors. Photoelectric detectors use a light source, usually an LED, and a sensor in a chamber. Smoke particles entering the chamber scatter light onto the sensor, triggering the alarm. They are more effective at detecting slow, smoldering fires. 3. Dual sensor smoke detectors. These detectors combine ionization and photoelectric technologies to provide broader fire detection coverage. They are designed to quickly detect both fast-flaming and slow-smoldering fires. 4. Smoke detectors with carbon monoxide (CO) detection. Some advanced models combine smoke detection with CO detection for enhanced safety. Components of a smoke detector. Smoke chamber contains the sensing mechanism, ionization chamber or optical sensor, where smoke particles are detected. Alarm system produces a loud sound or visual alert when smoke is detected to warn occupants. Power source, typically powered by batteries, usually 9-volt or lithium, or connected directly to the building's electrical system, hardwired. Test button allows users to test the functionality of the detector by simulating smoke detection without actually producing smoke. 5. Interconnectivity. If applicable, some detectors can be interconnected so that when one detector senses smoke, all interconnected detectors sound their alarms. 6. Smoke entry path. Designed to allow smoke to enter the sensing chamber while keeping insects, dust, and other debris out. How smoke detectors work. Ionization detectors use the ionization of air to detect smoke particles disrupting current flow. Photoelectric detectors rely on the scattering of light caused by smoke particles entering the sensing chamber. Dual sensor detectors combine ionization and photoelectric technologies to provide comprehensive fire detection. Placement and maintenance. Placement. Install smoke detectors on every level of a building, inside each bedroom, and outside sleeping areas. Mount them on ceilings or high on walls according to manufacturer instructions. Maintenance. Regularly test smoke detectors using the test button, replace batteries as recommended, usually annually, and clean detectors according to manufacturer guidelines to ensure proper operation. Importance of smoke detectors. Early warning provides early detection of smoke and fire, giving occupants crucial time to escape safely. Life safety reduces the risk of injuries and fatalities due to fire by alerting people in the early stages. Thank you.